Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is the third lesson of full SEO course that I'm covering in this channel. And if you have not, subscribed to my channel, so I request you to subscribe to it because in the future I'll be coming up with a lot of digital marketing content that will be very valuable to you, right? So today we will learn about digital marketing and what are the components that come under digital marketing, right? And we will also study all the components of digital marketing in detail, right? And we will understand what exactly is the digital marketing, and because there are many people out there who do not know the meaning of it when they asked to define what is digital marketing, right? And they don't know what are the things that come under digital marketing. So don't worry, not known it so far. Don't worry. Today I will explain everything, and then you will have the full understanding of how how digital marketing is done and what are the aspects of digital marketing and everything. So without any further delay, let's get to the computer screen. Here we are on the screen, and this is the third lesson of SEO full course that I'm covering in this playlist. And if you have not watched the last two lessons, then I would request you to watch them first. Then you will be able to understand it better. So today we will learn about what is digital marketing and what are the types of digital marketing. And trust me, this is one of the most confusing question that revolves around the minds of prospective digital marketers. And even in my career of last 5 years, I have taken many interviews, and when I asked them about the meaning of digital marketing, what are the types of digital marketing, it was very difficult to answer to it, right? They had a lot of confusions about it. They were not able to simplify it, so they did not understand it as a concept. But don't worry, today if you watch this lesson, trust me, you will be able to understand it well enough. No matter where you appear for the interview, what you are asked related to digital marketing, related to SEO, you will be able to answer confidently, right? So without any further delay, let's move to the slide. So what is digital marketing, right? So talking about the meaning of digital marketing, it is not as complicated as you may think it is. It is a very simple thing that you need to understand, right? So let's understand it from the practical point of view. Uh, like uh, if someone has a business, right, and he has a lot of products to sell to the various customers in order to generate the profit. So how will he sell the product? First he will reach the users, he will have to reach the customers, he will have to tell about the products to the customers, he will have to tell about the benefits and advantages of the products to the customer. If the customers are satisfied with that product, with that marketing, then they will be tempted to buy it, right? This is the simple concept that works in. But before anything else, a businessman has to tell the user about the products, and this process of telling about the product to the user is digital marketing, is marketing rather, right? So so earlier what used to happen, we used to market the products through offline methods. We used to advertise through newspapers, through magazines, through banners, posters. This is how we used to do marketing. But since the last few years, the scenario has completely changed. As most of the people are using internet today, right? And most of the users are using social media website, they are using Google, they're using everything, right? So there is no use of doing marketing on offline methods, right? Because they are quite cheaper, and they do not have the kind of potential that online market has, the digital marketing has, because you are able to use a certain section of users through offline marketing. But when it comes to online marketing, you can reach large number of users in a very small amount. So it is way cheaper than offline marketing. So this is why digital marketing has come into a lot of trend, and it is growing a lot these days, because it is preferred by every businesses today to penetrate into the market, right? So I hope that now you understand what is digital marketing. And if we talk about the definition of it, so the process of promoting the product using the online method is digital marketing, right? So I hope that you now know the meaning of digital marketing. Now we will talk about the components of digital marketing, right? Digital marketing is quite broad topic, and under the digital marketing there are many subcategories that exist. And if you want to become a full fledged digital marketer, that is, it is important that you are aware of all these aspects of digital marketing in order to grow in your career, right? So we have website and SEO, we have content marketing, we have social media marketing, we have paid marketing, we have email marketing, we have affiliate marketing, we have influencer marketing, we have mobile marketing, we have analytics and data analytics marketing. So these are the things that we study in digital marketing. And if we are aware of all these things, if we have hands-on experience on all these aspects of digital marketing, then we are a full digital marketer, trust me, right? So now first is website and SEO. So what is website and SEO, right? So you try to sell your product, or you try to promote your product rather, through website and by doing SEO, right? You create your own website, you write articles there, you write blogs there, you post images there, right? You do the proper SEO of that website, you create a e-commerce website, you list your product on that website, and you sell that product by doing SEO, right? So this is how you do the website and SEO marketing, right? Basically you try to optimize your website in a such a way that it is able to increase the visibility in the search engine, right? And in the eyes of the user, right? And in the website and SEO marketing, we do on page SEO, we do off page SEO, we do technical SEO as well. So I hope now you know what is website and SEO marketing. Now talking about the content marketing, in this what we do, we try to promote our product through content, through writing the content, right? You write content on different platforms, you try to engage your users with the help of content. You write a very attractive and engaging content that user feels mesmerized after using it. And if user feels mesmerized, then they will be tempted to buy your product, they will be tempted to follow you, and they will want more such content from you, right? And you do the content marketing but through blog, through infographics, through creating videos, right? And now talking about the social media marketing. So in the social media marketing, you try to promote your product through social media platforms, right? There are many social media platforms out there, and like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Pinterest, right? Quora. These are the social media platforms where you can do the marketing of your product, right? Because each platform has has a lot of user base, massive number of user base, right? So it can be a very lucrative place for you to market your product and to sell your product and make the profit out of marketing on these platforms, right? But there are two ways by which you can market on social media platforms. There is a paid method, there is a non-paid method, organic method rather. So through organic method, you try to create engaging content, and you try to optimize your website, and you try to be consistent on that website for a period of time. And this is how, if user come to your website, if the user come to your social media platform and they find your content valuable, useful, then they will surely follow you, and then you can market your product to them, right? But organic marketing on social media is a time consuming. You will have to spend at least 3 to 4 months, and you will have to be very consistent, and you will have to be very creative with your content. If you follow all these things, then trust me, you can grow your you can grow your page, you can grow your following on social media platforms as well. If you don't want to go for the organic method, you want to generate instant results, so for that you will have to go for the paid marketing, right? You will have to run Google ads, you will have to run uh, Instagram ads. So you will have to run Google ads, you will have to run Facebook ads, you will have to run Instagram ads, and you will have to run Twitter ads and LinkedIn ads. And this is how you can increase the awareness of your product, and you can engage the users on your website, on your social media platform. And this is one of the fastest way. Like paid marketing is one of the fastest way to reach the users. And apart from that, we have email marketing. So what happens in the email marketing? You gather the email list of your prospective customers, and then you try to market your product, or you try to promote your product through sending customized email to them from time to time, right? And you can and you have many ways by which you can gather the email list of your user. Let's say you have a website, right? And that is the content website. You write the content on a specific niche on that website, right? And you are creating very engaging, very valuable content, and user is going through that content, and he's liking it much, right? And so you can give there an option where user can type in his his email, and he can subscribe to your blog. And from time to time you can send the user the information about that blog, right? So this is how you gather the email list. Or suppose you want to sell a product, so in the content itself you can include the link of your product, and the user will click on that link. And once the user click on that link, so he will be redirected to the next page, and where you can collect the email ID. And from time to time you can send that user about the updates, and about the updates of your product. So this is how you do the email marketing. And there are different ways by which you can get the email list of different users. You can run, you can get the email list through running paid campaigns. You can get email list by creating a funnel. So we will be talking about all these things in more detail. We have affiliate marketing. So what usually happens in the affiliate marketing? Like businesses, like there are many various businesses, there are various companies out there that want to sell the products as much as possible. They want to sell the product on a scale, right? So they try to reach out to the people, or they try to reach out to the popular people. They try to reach out to the influencer who have their target audience, right? So they try to make partnership with them, and then they ask them to promote their product. And once they promote their product on their respective platforms, when a user makes a purchase using their affiliate link, then those that influencer or that popular personality makes profit out of it. Like certain commission they receive from selling a product, right? And the various companies also give you the affiliate link or the affiliate code that you can use. And once a user uses that code to buy the product, then you will receive, or so then that influencer will receive the commission on each selling of the product, right? Then we have influencer marketing. So what happens in the influencer marketing? You try to promote your product with the help of influencer, because today there is a lot of trend of influencer. You can find influencer on each social media platform, and you can find out which influencer has your targeted audience. Then you can outreach them, and you can ask them to promote your product. And by doing so, you can pay them certain amount for promoting the product, or you can do affiliate with them, right? So this is how you do the influencer marketing. And then next we have is the mobile marketing. And as you know, most of the people are using mobile these days, right? And if you avoid mobile when it comes to marketing online, then trust me, you are missing out on a lot of potential of the users that you can get, right? So it is important that whatever content you create, whatsoever website you create, it is important that you always keep the mobile factor in your mind. You always keep in mind that mobile is the most important thing, right? So you need to optimize your content, your website, your application, and whatever platform you are using from the mobile perspective. Just optimize them, right? So once you optimize them, then user who will see your content on mobile, and then they will be able to consume it well enough, and then they will make purchase, and you will be able to uh, grow your business on that, right? Then we have video marketing. So through video marketing, what you do, you try to tell the world about your product through making videos, right? And videos are one of the most engaging ways by which you can attract the prospective customers onto your product, right? So, and you can do video marketing in so many different ways. You can create a YouTube channel, and you can create different kind of engaging videos, and by doing so, you can also do the marketing of your products. And there is another way by which you can do the video marketing. You can create videos, and you can create videos, and you can run many paid media campaigns uh, by which uh, by which you can uh, do the video marketing, right? So and also there is on Instagram you can create different reels, and by which you can tell the world about your product. Then we have analytics and data analysis. Trust me, this is one of the most important thing in the digital marketing. If you want to be a perfect digital marketer, then you must know about the analysis of data. If you are able to analyze your data, if you are able to analyze the users, the demography of the users, the behavior of the users, then trust me, you can optimize your website, your content, your application, or your social media platforms in such a way that no one can do, right? You can generate a lot of profit by doing so, right? You can make your website and your platforms to the perfection if you are able to understand the behavior of the users. Suppose a user comes to your website, right? And a user comes to your website, and he just visits your website, he bounce off from the very first page. Then what will happen? Then it means the page which was able to bring that user on your website, that page is not user friendly. The page does not have the good content, right? And because of which a user has bounced off from that page. So what you need to do, you need to optimize that page, you need to structure that page well, you need to make it more user friendly, right? You need to make it more qualitative, right? You need to include more quality to that page. So next time when a user comes to that website or comes to that page, then you will be able to reduce the bounce rate of that particular page. So in this way, there are many things that you can observe through various tools, and then you can take your decisions, right? So this is how the data analysis is very important in digital marketing. Even on the social media, if you are using YouTube, if you are using Instagram, right, you can figure out what are following you, what age group do they fall in, right, and at what time do they engage with your content. And based on these data insights, you can take your decision, you can optimize your content, and you can schedule your content as per the data analysis, as per the data analysis that you have made, right? So this is all from my side today, and I hope today now you know about what is digital marketing and what are the components that come under it. And uh, and if you have any doubt in this topic, then you can write to me at my email that I have given in this channel, or you can write in the comment box. I will try to clarify that in my best ability. And apart from that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then I request you to subscribe to it. And trust me, I'll be coming up with a lot of playlists in the future, and you will be getting a lot of valuable content from my side. So that's all from my side today, and I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. So goodbye.